If you want to predict exactly how healthy you will be in your 70s and 80s, you need to stop obsessing over your cholesterol numbers and throw away the bathroom scale. These are lagging indicators of a battle that has already been fought. To see the future of your health, you must look at a much deeper, more fundamental metric: your stem cell mobilization. Most people are under the illusion that stem cells are a luxury medical treatment reserved for elite athletes at exotic clinics. But after years in the trenches of emergency medicine and analyzing the high-level longevity data emerging from the world's most advanced labs, I've seen a truth that will change everything you thought you knew about aging. Your body is currently housing a dormant army of 70 million stem cells. They are the biological repair crew that keeps you young, but for the vast majority of people, this crew is trapped in a state of deep hibernation. Today, I'm going to show you how to flip the switch and double your circulating stem cells in as little as 30 days using precise protocols that you won't hear about in a standard doctor's office. Welcome to the channel. I am Dr. Mike. My mission is to bridge the gap between conventional medicine and the cutting-edge biohacking research that is currently taking over the longevity circles on X and in high-end research institutes. We are living in an era where aging is no longer an inevitable decline. It is a programmable biological process. What you are about to see is a comprehensive masterclass in cellular rebirth. We will explore the hidden mechanisms of stem cell activation, the role of zombie cells in stopping your recovery, and a precise, data-backed nutritional protocol designed to rebuild your vascular system, your brain, and your joints from the inside out. This isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. The core reason we feel the weight of time as we age isn't just because of the years on the calendar. According to the latest breakthroughs shared by researchers at the Buck Institute for Research on Aging, the primary driver of physical decline is a phenomenon known as cellular senescence. As we speak, your body is accumulating what scientists call zombie cells. These are aged cells that have stopped dividing but refuse to die. Instead, they linger in your tissues, secreting a toxic cocktail of inflammatory signals that literally paralyze your 70 million stem cells. Imagine your body's repair crew is ready to work, but the construction site is filled with toxic smoke and debris that makes it impossible for them to move. This is why a 60-year-old heals slower than a 20-year-old. It's not that the stem cells aren't there, it's that they are locked in the break room, unable to hear the alarm. But the conversation on X among elite longevity experts like those at Mayo Clinic and Harvard Medical School has shifted toward a new class of molecules called senolytics. Specifically, a potent compound found in nature called fisetin. Clinical data published in the journal eBiomedicine suggests that fisetin acts like a targeted strike force, identifying the unique chemical signature of these zombie cells and triggering their removal. When you clear this cellular trash, you lift the toxic fog from your bone marrow. This is the essential first step that most people miss. You cannot build a new house on top of a pile of smoldering rubble. By clearing the path, you allow your stem cells to finally hear the signal to mobilize. Once mobilized, these cells have an incredible homing ability. They migrate through your bloodstream and settle exactly where the damage is, whether it's a stiff artery, a worn-out knee joint, or a micro-lesion in your brain tissue. Now, let's talk about the specific alarm bells that wake these cells up. The gold standard in nutritional stem cell activation is high cacao dark chocolate. A landmark study from the University of California, San Francisco, tracked patients with severe heart disease. When these patients consumed high flavanol cocoa twice daily, their circulating stem cells doubled in just 30 days. This happens because the polyphenols in cacao trigger the release of nitric oxide, a gas that signals your bone marrow to open the gates. Complementing this is the anthocyanin protocol. Deeply pigmented fruits like blueberries and pomegranates stimulate the production of VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, which acts like a GPS for your stem cells. However, a major topic currently trending in the biohacking community on X is the concept of bioavailability. You can eat the best foods in the world, but if your gut microbiome is compromised, your stem cells will never receive the signal. This is why our protocol includes mushroom-derived beta-glucans. Mushrooms like reishi contain complex fibers that feed specific bacterial strains that convert plant polyphenols into secondary metabolites like butyrate.
Studies from Stanford University show that butyrate is a master anti-inflammatory compound that protects the intestinal wall and ensures that the stem cell activating molecules actually reach your bloodstream. If your gut is the soil and the polyphenols are the seeds, the mushrooms are the fertilizer that ensures the entire system flourishes. As we conclude this session, remember that the power to rewrite your biological future is already inside you. You have an army of 70 million repair cells waiting for your command. By clearing the zombie cells with fisetin, signaling the bone marrow with cacao and berries, and protecting the process with gut-healthy mushrooms, you are taking control of your health in a way that was thought impossible just a decade ago. Consistency is your greatest ally. Start this protocol today and watch as your energy, your clarity, and your physical resilience begin to transform. I am Dr. Mike, and I'll see you in the next breakthrough session. Don't forget to subscribe to stay at the cutting edge of longevity science.